Okay, Mamun as well as I. Here Mamun. What is Mamun here?
First subject.
First subject. And as well as is a connector. And what is I here?
Second subject.
Second subject. Okay, everybody. Mamun is the first subject and I is the second subject. Okay. And first subject and
Yes, sir.
second subject is connected with as well
As well as.
as. Okay. First subject, repeat again. First subject,
Mamun.
Mamun. Second subject, I. Right? Second subject,
I.
I. Okay. Connected with
As well as.
as well as. So we know that for making tag question, we know that for making tag question, I am again. Are you watching my screen?
Yes, sir.
Mamun is the first subject and as well as I is the second subject here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know that for making tag question, what is our badly needed? Some elements are badly needed for making tag question, Nazmul. This is the
Yes,
auxiliary verb and pronoun, right?
and pronoun. Yes, sir.
So auxiliary verb is here. Is the auxiliary verb. A negative form isn't. Then pronoun
Isn't.
he. Pronoun of Mamun, he. And this is the question to you. For making tag question, we have to use pronoun. But there are two subjects. First subject Mamun and second subject I.
Second subject I.
So this is a question in this region, in this situation, we have to use the first subject. Use the first subject. So
First
there is a
subject.
question that the sir, what kinds of connector that connect two subject? We use pronoun as a first subject and then we will move to the next and clear our rules. Okay. Again, repeat again, Nazmul. What is the first subject here?
Mamun.
Second subject,
I.
auxiliary verb.
Is.
Okay, making tag question. This is comma,
Comma.
right? Is the
Right,
auxiliary
sir.
verb and negative form isn't, right?
Isn't.
Okay.
Right, sir.
And then according to first subject, we should not use I here. Use he. Mamun is the first
He.
subject, and then we use he pronoun. He is the
He. Pronoun.
pronoun of
Mamun.
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 Okay, according to the first subject. So what is the rule? First subject and second subject is connected with as well as, then tag would be defined according to the first subject. Clear?
First subject.
Okay,
Clear,
then
sir.
move to the next question. I think you are watching an animation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think they are fighting.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
Salam with his friends attacked me, didn't she? Is it right?
Sir, pronoun. बोला sir.
Pronoun may be wrong here. Pronoun would be here he, not she.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. First subject, first subject,
Salam.
salam. Second subject,
His friend.
his friend. Okay. First subject and second subject is added with, right?
With. Right,
Okay.
sir.
Then pronoun would be defined according to the first
To
subject. First
first
subject
subject.
salam. Then here is the main verb attacked. Here is
Attack.
the main verb attacked. So this is the past indefinite tense and auxiliary
Yes, sir.
verb didn't.
Didn't.
you know that if you do not find the directly auxiliary, you know there are no auxiliary in present indefinite and past indefinite where we use do, did, and does.
Do, did, done.
So didn't, and there is the pronoun he, she, not she. There would be use he. Clear?
He. Yes, sir.
According to the first subject. Another example. First subject
I
Read out the full example.
and not you could catch the ball. Could I?
Very good. Thank you. First subject
I
I. Second subject
you
you. Okay. And first subject and second subject is connected with
and not.
and not. Okay. What is the auxiliary verb here?
Could.
Good. The statement is negative, right? Because here is
Right, sir. And
here
not.
here we find not, so the statement is
Negative.
negative. Tag would be
Positive.
positive. Okay, fine. Then could is the auxiliary verb, and I first subject, not you. Here
First
first
subject.
subject. Okay. So according to the first subject, we use the subject or pronoun. Then come to the rule. This is the rule. We have learned many examples. From the examples, we find out some clues that makes a rule. So what is the rule here? Remember that if as well as with, are you washing the skin?
Yes, sir.
If as well as with,
With.
together,
Together with.
with, along with,
Along
accompanied
with.
by, and not,
Accompanied by. And
etc.
not.
Add two subject. Two subject added by this connector as well as with, together with, etc. Then for making tag question, verb and subject would define according to the first subject.
And subject.
If two subject is connected, because we move to the next udaharan example, we repeat again. Salam, we repeat again. Mamun as well as I. Mamun is first subject, I is second subject, connected with as well as. Okay,
As well.
connected with as
Yes,
well
sir.
as. So pronoun would be defined. Pronoun would be defined according to the first subject. Right. This is our rule today. We have learned that today. Very simple rule and very easy rule, as well as with, together, with, along with, accompanied by, and not etc. add to subject. Then for making tag question, verb and subject would be defined according to the first subject. Is it clear,
First
everybody?
subject.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is our rule today. Okay. Okay.